How to fix Home would like to send you critical alerts iPhone problem, iPad iOS 17. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Home would like to send you critical alerts problem on iPhone and iPad running iOS 17. As you can see, some people encounter the same issues where they receive an alert saying Home would like to send you critical alerts, and their phones becomes unresponsive, making it impossible to power off. As you can see, the answer is this issue can be easily resolved by force restarting your iPhone. Press the volume up button, release it immediately, then do the same with the volume down button. After this, hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This should fix the glitch. You can also find detailed instructions on this. Now, I am clicking on the provided link. How to fix iPhone stuck on Home critical alerts. When your screen becomes unresponsive and you are unable to interact with anything outside of the notification, the most effective solution is to force restart your device. Keep in mind that the specific key combination required may vary depending on your iPhone model. Start by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button. This action should be swift. Press it and release it immediately. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button in the same manner. Now, press and hold the side button. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.